दूं?
बिल्कुल कर दो।
Hello everyone. Hello sir. I am Payal. I am online interactive live classes. I am telling about unity of diversity. Unity of diversity is a saying that that holds good in case of India.
हाँ,
India is the biggest democratic republic of the world.
वेरी गुड।
Its geographical territory is vast. Uh, People of different castes, creeds, and colors live here. People in North India speak Hindi, while Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, and Malayalam are spoken in South.
हाँ,
A good number of Indians believe in Hindi religions, uh, while while others are Muslim, Sikh, Jains, Buddhists, and Christians. The Hindus worship their god and goddess in temples. The Muslims offer their namaz in the mosque, and the Sikhs present Shabd Kirtan in their gurudwaras. Their festivals and सर रीति रिवाज को क्या बोलते हैं?
ट्रेडिशंस, customs.
Their festival and customs are also different.
हाँ,
Their culture and old traditions are also very in spite of these differences, and become one in the nick of time. There are so examples of our unity or oneness. The British were amazed at our unity during the freedom movement. Take the case of China aggressions or wars against Pakistan. We show our unity at the time of any danger. We forgot our difference and try to stand by each other. India is very popular country. It is very powerful country. There are many people our work in the country, like some businessmen, some shopkeeper, some farmers, jamming, selling very vegetables, and some do very small work, etc. But still they have love among themselves, and I am proud of my country, India. I I love India. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, very
Thank you,
good.
sir.
बहुत अच्छा, very good. Yeah.
स्टार्ट करूं सर?
हाँ,
सर एक मिनट. Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Online Classes from B2. Today I am going to tell you about the topic of India, unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means unity in the inner. India is a country that better supports the uh, concept of unity in diversity. Due to the speciality of unity in diversity, India is the popular country and is famous all over the world. Unity in diversity is the strength and power of India, which is now the most important feature identifying India. Unity in diversity has given the country the specialty of great national uh, integration, which is the foundation of the strong and prosperous India. Despite many corruption, militancy, and terrorism, uh, people living in different states usually differ in their speaking language, culture, traditions, clothes, festivals, looks, etc. However, he describes himself as a Indian, which reflects his unity. Uh, the possibility of humanity and people helps them to maintain unity in diversity here. In India, people give more importance to spirituality, karma, and sanskar than their material wealth, which bring them closer. People here have religion, tolerance, power as their feature, which helps them to feel any difficulty on the occurrence of different religions. Most of the people in India belong to Hinduism, who have the ability to welcome and absorb all other cultures in their land. All such features in Indian people helps in making India famous for concept unity in diversity. Then importance of unity in diversity. Unity in diversity increases the moral of people of workplace, organization, and community. Then this makes communication effective even in poor conditions, keeps people away from social problems, and helps in managing easily. Improves healthy human relationship, and protects equal human rights for all people. Unity in diversity provides a source of tourism in India. People of diverse culture, traditions, people, religions attract more visitors and tourists from all over the world. Thus, unity in diversity is a source of praise throughout the country, which keeps the people of the country united. That's it, sir.
Shabash.
Hello everyone, my name is Nanwani. Today I am telling about university in diversity. As we all know, India is a country of unity in diversity. The mountain ranges, rivers, irrigated areas, streams, forests, and deserts all have beautified India with their outstanding diversity among people, various caste, creed, religion, and languages. Each state has their own language. This dance and music, colorful festivals, and beautiful handicraft material made in beaches of Goa, water and snow of mountains and sands and lakes of Rajasthan, world culture, sign of Delhi, etc. are the symbols of diversity of our nation. This colorful variety of a country makes our country a major attraction of tourists that is beneficial for the economics and prosperity of the country. That's all.
Very good. Shabash.
So, Bolu.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes. As we all know that today's our topic is India, unity in diversity. So let's start. First of all, I am proud of my country, India, and we all know that this is a great country. It is also called Vishwaguru also. India is known as a country of unity in diversity. And there are many diversities in India in every field, as I know. If we talk about the field of food, so every state has their own varieties, its own variety and its own famous food. If we are talk about Rajasthan, so Rajasthan has rice. Dal bati churma is the famous food of Rajasthan. If we talk about Bihar, so litti chokha is the famous food of Bihar, and idli sambar is the famous food of South in the state Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. In these states, if we talk about Punjab, so chola bhatura is the famous food of Punjab. So every state has their own famous food. If we talk about their dressing, so every state has its dressing, famous dressing. That if we talk about Rajasthan, so the Rajasthani lehenga is very famous. If we talk about South, so then South's lungi is very famous. If we talk about Bengal, so Bengali sari is very famous. Bengali sindoor is very famous. So that's like it. Every state has their own dress, its own dressing. If we talk about the festivals, so every state has also its festival, its famous festival, like the Gangaur is the famous festival of Rajasthan. Navratra is the famous festival of Gujarat, and Durga Puja is the famous festival of Bengal, and Lodi is the famous festival of Punjab. Like it, there are many festivals celebrated in our country, and all the festivals are celebrated with joyness. And on these festivals, we don't think about any religion, and we celebrate these festivals with joyness and celebrate it with free mind. And when we celebrate it, we have not any religious problems and religious diversities in our mind. And their all states have their famous dances also. That Ghumar is the famous dance of Rajasthan, and Bhangra is the famous dance of Punjab. So there are many diversities in our country, and there are many religions also in our country. We know that India is a secular country. Not any particular religion is recognized in our country as a national religion. So everyone has a freedom to सर मानने को क्या बोलेंगे?
Follow.
Freedom to follow their own religion according to them. So after these all diversities, uh, everyone in our country is living with brotherhood. And if we talk about the present time, yes, I know that I agree with this thing that condition is something wrong in this time, uh, but we also know that exception is exist everywhere. So yes, some people say that Hindu Muslim, but uh, I also say, I want to say that not everywhere. If a condition is if our on India is in problem, so every person stand together, and on that time we don't know about we don't think about any religion, and from which state we are from, which states, we don't think about these things. So, and there are many languages also speak in our country.
Spoken.
I think
Mm.
spoken in our country.
Mm.
There are about 500 languages are spoken in our country. It is known that after every 2 meters we change our language. So after despite of these all diversities, India's people live together with and with brotherhood. That's it.
शाबाश. हाँ बोलो, चालू करो.
Good evening, everyone, and sir. My name is Ispaj Gupta, and I'm the student of Brahman English online interactive classes. And today's our topic is India unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is the famous dialogue of our country. India is also known as the unity in diversity. These words means in Hindi is विविधता में एकता और अनेकता में एकता. Here the different religions people live like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Hindu, Punjabi, etc. And every people have their own languages. And every people who have their own languages. People here trust on the God, and people here trust on the God, and afraid of God by the nature. Purification of soul, salvation, rebirth, etc. etc. can be seen here. People celebrate people celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Good Friday, etc. here without harming of any people of any religion. But there are some problem of it. Reservation can also lead to the poor freestyle in the different area due to lack of electricity. This can increase corruption and illiteracy in many states and country. In many states, this can promote the this can promote many social concern between the linguistic people and country. But in today's time, there is a different thing. The unity in diversity is not seen everywhere. People live for not others, for their own. Money is everything in money is everything today now. But there are some people who trust who believe that unity in diversity is here. So I request those people to create the unity in diversity. I request to those people to create aware of people that we are known as the unity in diversity, and I am proud of my country. That's it.
शाबाश. बोल बेटा. यस. बात नहीं, चालू करो. Hmm.
Good evening, everybody. I am Nisha Kumar, and today I am going to tell about diversity, unity in diversity in India.
Hmm.
India is country of different religion, caste, languages, traditional and culture. In India, many religions peoples live, but they live with unity and respect each other.
With each other. Hmm.
With each other.
Hmm.
Unity in diversity is only only in peoples, but it also in our geographical, culture and traditional and other things.
ठीक है शाबाश.
In geographical we have somewhere rocks and somewhere plants and trees, and somewhere we have desert. in in India is the oldest civilization of world.
Civilization.
And India have largest population, and in India people speak many languages and they celebrate different festivals. In Rajasthan, people celebrate Gangaur. In Punjab, people celebrate Lohri. In Bengal, they celebrate Durga Puja, and many other state people celebrate many other festivals. According to a report, people of India is speaking more than 1,000 languages. This is the proof of diversity in India, but they live each other with love and brotherhood. They give respect each other religions and languages. The people of India wear different clothes. In Rajasthan, people wear dhoti kurta and ghagra choli. In Punjab, they wear salwar and suit, and many other states people wear other clothes. But now the diversity of India, but the now unity of India is in danger. People are forget their old customs and traditional. They quarrel with each other in small things. Many peoples are
बोल बेटा
many
बोल
peoples are increasing the feelings against our country.
शाबाश.
So they do many wrong things with our country and destroy our country. So we know the reason about this and we try to stopping this. I feel very proud of my country and I love my country. That's it.
शाबाश. बहुत.
Okay, sir. Hello, friends. Myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about unity and diversity in India.
बेटा एक मिनट रुक जा. एक मिनट कर.
Hello, friends. Myself Ruchika, and I'm the student of B1 Ramban English batch. And today I'm telling about unity and diversity in India. India is a great country, and it is a old country in the world. It is known as Gyan Kosh, and India has a big diversity, but we should note that what is diversity. We all are different from one another. This difference is called diversity. and India has also many types of India's people are also different, and there lives many types of religion, caste, and culture, and other types of things. Like if we talk about Rajasthan, then there lives there in a clothing there is Rajasthani dress is worn, and in the Punjab suit is worn mostly, and in the south in the south lungi is worn, and in the west sari is worn. And if we talk about foods, then dal bati churma is eaten in Rajasthan, and it is also famous food of Rajasthan. And in the Punjab, the roti of makka and the saag of sarso is eaten, and it is also famous of there. And in the Gujarat, chole bhature is eaten, and in the west idli dosa sambar is eaten. And if we talk about festivals, then the Lohri is the famous festival of Punjab, and Gangaur is the festival of Rajasthan, and Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival of Maharashtra. And in the south, Onam is the most important festival of south. And if we talk about the geographical condition of India, then if we go into the south, then there is always a rainy season, and if we go in the Rajasthan and Gujarat, there is always hot, and in the Himachal, Jammu Kashmir, there is always ice. And in the India, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there lives many different types of persons, and many types of religious persons, and India has its own सर वो क्या बोलते प्रतीक क्या
symbols.
India has its own symbols, and it is different from other countries, and there mostly 121 languages are spoken. And if we can take an example of Jaipur, then in the midpoint of Jaipur, Hindi is spoken. Then in the 5 or 10 kilometers, Kachari is spoken, and but nowadays the diversity is going in the danger because of some reasons. No one do respect, and no one has respect for other person. No one wants to give something to another. If someone has, then if like we can take an example of children. If he help to one poor person in the help to one poor person, then if he went to the if he go to the house, then his parents or his family member says that why you say like this. And if it is not true, because the diversity is going like this in the wrong way, and if it will go, then one day the diversity will destroy, and it will not make easily, like so we should stop it now. If it will stop now, then the diversity will increase, and we should do we should do some things through which the progress of India increase, and it gets in high level, and if we will do like this, then the progress will also increase, and India's people will also right. But the I think that India's I think that the India's people are forgetting the discipline, and it's so जड़ को क्या बोलेंगे?
रूट
Its root is education. So government and the family members of a person and to other persons should tell first of all what is discipline, and where should we follow it. And that India's people thinking is going like this, that they do not think about their country first of all. They think about their selves. So it is not true. And the citizen is a person who thinks first of all about his country. That's all, sir.
बोल एक बार जरा. नहीं आवाज कम है. हाँ
Start करूं?
हाँ कर दे.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B6. Today I am telling about unity in diversity. In spirit of the salvary of hundreds years, the people of India provide themselves to true Indians without any discrimination. Many caste, religion, and language people live in the India. So here live people found much different their living, speaking, festivals, and food habits.
अरे वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. हाँ
There all people make worship place of our religion.
वेरी
But
गुड.
But all people is one prayer. So
शाबाश
we
बेटा. हाँ
live here.
हाँ
Every people of India dedicate to themselves. Our country has Punjab, Odisha, Bengal, Himachal, Rajasthan, and many states. All state is a flower of a garland.
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ
Which we give number of India.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ
It celebrates their festivals.
वेरी गुड. हाँ
So we are one. Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati, Haryani, or Tamil, and English, or many languages are spoke and read in India.
वहाँ रेड सही बोला तुमने बेटा. बेटा अपने आप आ गया वो रेड आपके मुंह से. बाद में गलत कर दिया आपने रीड बोल के. भैया बोल. बहुत अच्छा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. बोल शाबाश. हाँ हाँ
We talk each other from language medium.
वेरी गुड. हाँ
So India is one from language point of view. All religion people live in India.
हाँ
Sikh, Isai, Hindu, Jain, Parsi, and many religion people live here, and many caste people live here.
वेरी गुड. हाँ
In spirit, all people live from love spirit.
वेरी गुड. विद लव. हाँ
With love spirit,
हाँ.
all people help always each other to
Very
have happiness and sadness
अरे
in
बहुत बढ़िया.
India.
वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ
So our unity is one.
हाँ
Humanity is one.
हाँ
Our food habits, livings, language, and religions different in India.
वेरी गुड. हाँ हाँ
Then, however, our country is one. So our country, our big specialty is unit in diversity. Our country is secular national. Unit is our big power.
वेरी गुड. हाँ
I am proud of India. I like my country. That's all.
शाब. हाँ आओ बिल्कुल कर बेटा.
Hello
आराम से
friends,
बोल.
my name.
हाँ हाँ
Hello friends, my name is Kamal Meena. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. today I am telling about unity in diversity. We live in India. India is our country. It is a very big country. Its capital is New Delhi.
शाबाश हाँ
India is an independent country.
इंडिपेंडेंट हाँ बेटा बोल वो तो हो जाएगा सब ठीक उसकी कोई टेंशन नहीं है हाँ बोल
Very old.
हाँ
It has made a very good
हाँ
progress in science and industry.
वेरी गुड हाँ हाँ बेटा
It is called the country of villages. India is poor, but it is making progress day by day.
शाबाश हाँ
Its population is growing fast. People of different religion live here.
here
Their languages are also different.
अरे वेरी गुड यार हाँ
फिर भी को स्टिल कहते हैं ना सर?
है स्टिल हाँ बोल तू तो बोल हाँ बोल
Still we
हाँ
are Indians.
हाँ
It is also known as Bharat,
हाँ
Hindustan, and Arya Bharat.
शाबाश
The national animal of India is a tiger,
हाँ
and the national bird is peacock.
हाँ
National flower is lotus, and national fruit is mango. The flag of India has three colors.
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश बोल बहुत बढ़िया
Celebrated their festivals: Holi,
हाँ
Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc.
हाँ
I love my India.
हाँ
I am proud of our country.
हाँ
That's all.
बोल बेटा कुछ बोल
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from Batch First, and I am studying in BCom first year. As we all know that today's our topic is unity in diversity in India, and we all know about India. At first, I want to tell you about meaning of unity in diversity. Means existence of unity even after various differences. India is the best example for this concept of unity and diversity, and we can see clearly that different religion, caste, creeds, languages, categories, etc. And people living in India are children of a mother whom we call Bharat Mata. And Rajasthan's famous food is dal bati churma, and famous sweet is Ghevar. And there are a lot of people are living here, and they are different caste. They are different caste, and here's famous dress is for men's dhoti, kurta, and pagdi. For women's Rajasthani chunri and lehenga. And if we talk about other state, and idli sambar is famous in south, and sarson ka saag and makki di roti is famous in Punjab. Chole bhature is also famous in Punjab, and and if we talk about sweets in other states, in Bengal rasgulla is famous, and in Punjab chole bhature is famous. In Bikaner sweets and namkeen is also famous in Bikaner. And a lot of people are living in the India, and most of the people know each other, and they are living with brotherhood, and they support in each other. That's it, sir.
To each other okay, very good.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am here to speak a few words about unity in diversity.
Good.
India is a greatest country of India's greatest country, and because many religious and caste people live here, every religion have their principle and recognition. But but all religions have only one target: to get God and peaceful life. And we also say that they are different, but goal is same. And the second, we can say that we all are Indian. Are we all are Indian. The type of flower and the garden is same, which we can say India.
Very good.
And the Indian culture is full of variety, and India is a largest country. Many religious people live here, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jain, Bodh, and they also follow their principle and recognize. And Hindu goes to temple, and Muslim go to Dargah, and Sikh go to Gurudwara, and Isai also go to church. They also consider their religion and principle from the starting to end. They also follow their principle. The cause of many religions. India is very beautiful country, and they also live with brotherhood and love. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Every state areas is big. Many places are dry, and many places are wet. We can say that India is like our house, and we are family of it.
Very good.
Many types of language are spoken in India, like Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Nepali, Madrasi, Bhojpuri, etc.
Very good.
After going to meter distance, our language is also changed. Our dress up sense also different, like in Rajasthan. Like Rajasthani women wear lehenga chunni, and the girls of Punjab and other country wears salwar kurta, and men also wear dhoti kurta, pajama and pagdi, and Rajasthani people wear belly and shoes, and all stand of living are totally different, but we are one. Our food habit also different, like dal bati churma is famous in Rajasthan, and also sweet are famous, like Agra. Petha is also famous of Agra, and Khirmon is also famous of Ganganagar and Gangapur. And sarson da saag and makke di roti is also famous of Punjab food. And we can find that total are different. Nevertheless, we are one, and it is our power.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good.
That's it.
Very good. हाँ बोल.
Start करूँ सर?
हाँ बिल्कुल कर दे बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Prerna Jarwal. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. I am going to tell about unity in diversity, the specialty of India. We are Indian. All people live with love and brotherhood. In India,
Very good.
there are freedom to accept their religion to any people in our country.
Very good.
People of Hindus religion in India, the biggest specialty of India is unity in diversity. Our country is a secular nation. All respect each other's religion.
Very good.
people of different religion celebrate their festival without any fear in India.
अरे बहुत
Like
बहुत अच्छा। अरे क्या हो गया तुम लोगों को, पता नहीं। हाँ बोलो, वेरी गुड।
uh, in Holi, like in Eid, people, Hindu and Muslim hug, and in Holi, all people have to became red yellow with colors. Red yellow with colors. We have been stood in country. सर कतार को क्या बोलेंगे?
लाइन, रो।
क्या सर?
लाइन, रो। हाँ।
Row. We have been stood countries row by strength of our unity. We should awake for communal forces. These forces is a big risk for unity. So we should pray to God that protect to our India. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Sir, start करो।
कर दे।
Hello everyone, my name is Priyamina. I am the student of Ramban Interactive English classes. Today I am telling about the unity of diversity in India. We all are Indians. Our most important specialty is unity of diversity.
Very good. हाँ।
Our country is the धर्म निरपेक्ष country.
Very good। बोल दे। हाँ बहुत अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, बोल। हाँ शाबाश, बोल। हाँ।
There are many types of people. There are Hindus, Mohammedan, Christian, Isai, Jain, Bodh, many community. People live together. All respect one each other's.
Each other बस खाली बोल। हाँ बोल, कोई बात नहीं, बोल 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 बोल। आप पूरी छूटा तुम्हारे को, बोलो कुछ भी। हाँ बोलो।
There is the brotherhood between every person in India.
Among people, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं। Among people.
Among people in India.
Very good. हाँ।
They never tease any person. There is very big power in the unity of India. There every people live happily in India. In their life. There everyone celebrate their festival without any fear. The Hindus and Muslim hug each other on the Eid's festival.
Very good. हाँ।
All are the colorful on the Holi. Diwali and Holi is not only for Hindus. All people make every festival with together. We should having awareness from communal powers. These powers are very dangerous for our unity.
Very good यार, बहुत अच्छा।
We are praised to God that our unity of diversity is always make. This unity of power has stabilized in the line of powerful countries. Our people help each other in India. There are found many hills, beautiful hills, hot desert and cold desert, seas, rivers and forests.
शाबाश।
In India. Every people worship in their temple, like that mosque, gurudwara, church, a temple, etc.
Very good। etc. बोलते हैं बेटा इसको। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बेटा आप तो। हाँ।
They are celebrate many festivals like that Diwali, Lohri, Pongal, Navratra Puja, Eid, etc. People wear different types of clothes like that lehenga, choli and dhoti and kurta.
Very good। हाँ शाबाश बेटा, बोलते रहो बस ऐसे। हाँ।
Salwar, etc. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह। हाँ यस, दिल खुश।
Yes, sir. Hello friends, my name is
तेरा तो कैमरा चालू कर ले।
सर आज है ना 90% का वो आ गया मैसेज।
चल बोल।
Hello friends, my name is Dilfush Meena. Today I am telling about unity in diversity in India. We are Indians. Our country, India, is the best in the world because our country is secular national
हाँ नेशन हाँ
nation.
हाँ बोलता है बहुत बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश बोल बेटा
People
हाँ
of all religions are live here, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddha, Jain, etc. Unity in diversity is
यूनिटी होता है बेटा यूनिटी हाँ बोल कोई बात नहीं
unity in diversity is identification of India,
हाँ
which
अरे वाह हाँ
which makes India different from all countries.
वेरी गुड हाँ
There are many hills, rivers, mountains, desert in India.
शाबाश हाँ
Many languages are spoken in India.
वेरी गुड हाँ
So India is called a country of unity
हाँ कॉल्ड
in diversity.
हाँ कॉल्ड है बेटा वो हाँ बोल आगे
In India, many festivals are celebrated by people of all religions. All people live with love and brotherhood in India. I am proud of our country. Now we pray to God that our unity in diversity remain always
अरे
in our country.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बेटा
That's all.
अरे वाह शॉर्ट
I am Sonam Meena. I study in 12th class. Today I am talking about India unity in diversity. By national integration, we mean the unity and diversity of the country. A nation strength depend upon its unity. Different of castes, color, and creed often lead to dissension, which makes a nation weak. In the past,
शाबाश वेरी गुड
in the past we not united, and so we were weak. As a result, we suffered foreign inventions.
फॉरेन
Uh,
फॉरेन बेटा
now
फॉरेन
that
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल तू बोल बाद में करवाऊंगा प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक तुम्हारे हाँ बोल
foreign,
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल तू हाँ
now that we are free, it is our bounded duty to preserve our freedom and realize the need of national integration. It means that we must have a feeling of oneness and unity. Our country is very vast. There is great diversity with people belonging to different castes, creeds, and colors line here. They speak many languages. Difference born of this variety divide the people into groups, and the unity of the country is thus weakened. Religionism seems to have reached the climax. The sixth demand is state, and so also the politically motivated people of Tamil. Tamil Nadu agitate to press the demand for succession. All such device activities and disparities between different sections of society are a threat to national integration. The object of national integration is create a basis unity. We should think of the country first and of our region and religion. Afterwards, we should not think in terms of religion, language, and reason.
वेरी गुड
Democratic educational institutions should also try to promote the spirit of national integration. We were in certain basic values that the school is so continue to feel national conscience. Device force should unity in diversity has been our strength in spite of difference.
वेरी गुड हाँ
There has been an invisible unity building the national consensus. It made newspaper, television, radio can play a useful role in instilling among the feeling of oneness we have feel as one and has the ideal of understood and union diversity has and different is there has an individual side of Indian
चालू कर.
Hello friends, good evening. I'm Neha Sharma from 12th class. I want to tell about India unity in diversity. Unity in diversity is used an expression of harmony and unity between dissimilar individual or group. We all know that India is an old and famous country. India is a nation to have immense diversity. The country is rich in its culture and heritage.
Very good.
There are various cultures. Various cultures coexisting, bound by the same national identity. We are all different people belonging to different culture and landscapes, but we stand united together. The beauty is in the diversity of the civilization. We all have different social culture identities. The diversity amongst the people is clearly visible, and it's quite inevitable. It's in their language, their food, their dance forms, etc. There are many languages in India, like Hindu, like Rajasthani, Marwadi, Mewari, etc. There are many famous foods, many famous dishes in India, like dal bati churma, मक्के की रोटी, सरसों का साग, idli sambar, etc. And there are many folk dance in India, like Garba, Ghumar, Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, etc.
Very good.
For example, if we are living in Rajasthan, we eat dal bati churma, which is the famous food of Rajasthan, and wear most local dress of Rajasthan. And if we are living in Punjab, we eat makke ki roti and sarson ka saag, which is a famous food of Punjab, and we wear pagdi. India is also religiously diverse, and we claim to have multiple religions in the nation state.
बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
There is no official religion. There is no official religion of the nation. We are a secular country. Importance. The concept of unity in diversity is effective in solving various social problems. This is possible as diverse people tend to know each other. Unity in diversity is very useful for a diverse country. So that we should respect all the culture, and we should respect all persons. That's it.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today I am telling about unity in diversity. The name of our country is India. All of us live in this country. Are Indians. In our countries, there are people who believe in many religions.
Very good.
All religions have their our principles. The food and living of all Indians is different from each other. Our joints, joy, fairs, festivals are all dress. Not only this, the dress of all of us is also different from each other.
Very good.
In our Indians, Kashmir, Punjab, Odisha, Bengal, Himachal, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra are many states. In our country, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Punjab, Gujarati, Tamil, Marathi, etc. are spoken in
Very
many
good. बहुत बढ़िया.
languages,
हाँ.
but the feeling is of one
हाँ.
that is
हाँ. बोलो. बोल बेटा.
kurta, pajama, and shirt. Women wear sari, salwar suit. It is clear from this that there in unity in diversity over India. Thank you, sir.
अरे very good. चालू करो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Hello everyone. Today I am telling you about unity in diversity. The famous concept of unity in diversity. In India fits perfectly. Unity in diversity means unity in diversity. India is the best country to prove this concept for many years.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया है.
India is the country where it is very clear to see unity in diversity because people of many religious cultures and traditional come together without hurting each other's feelings and trust for their religious live on. Integrate in inequality is unity in diversity. India is a country which proves the concept of unity in diversity in a good way. India is a populous country and is famous all over the world because the character of unity in diversity is seen here. Unity in diversity is the strength of India which identifies India as an important quality. It is clear from this that there is unity in diversity in our India. I love my country. That's all, sir.
Okay, very good. हाँ. बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Salman Khan. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about unity in diversity in India. India is a Vishnu Guru of all the world. All the world. India is a very beautiful country. We should also proud on ourselves that we are Indian.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ, बोलो.
Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means
unity होता है. Unity. हाँ. कोई बात नहीं. बोल.
Unity in diversity. Diversity means oneness in the varieties. Unity in diversity is a famous proverb which best fit on
India, the struggle for freedom is the best example of unity in diversity in India.
Very good.
India, India is a culture. India is a country of various cultures, languages, religions and races
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो सलमान. Very good. बोलते रहो.
and races. We can see that people in our country helping each other and respecting each other's lifestyle, religions, language.
Very good यार. सच में यार.
Language. Because of it, India is famous all around the world. Unity in diversity concept in India gives a strong message that nothing is without unity. Unity. So as a sentence is called in our India that all the world is our family. I love my India. East or West, India is the best.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. आकर.
Hello everyone, I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English online classes. Today's topic is unity in diversity in India. In India, people from different religions, languages, cultures, castes, sects, etc. have been living together with love and brotherhood. Each and every religion of the country from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari has different languages, customs, traditions.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बोलो.
And they have been living together from many centuries. This certainly shows the deep tolerance and unity of the India people. Is famous in all the world for its religious festivals. There are so many festivals are celebrated by Indians. Diwali, Holi, Dashera, Makar Sankranti, etc. are celebrated every year all over the India by us. As well as Eid, Christmas, Guru Purv, Guru Purnima, Buddha Purnima, Pongal, etc. are also celebrated by Indians. During these festivals, people greets each other and gives gifts and give to each other with the feeling of love and सर हम एग्जाम तौर पे इसका इंग्लिश में कैसे
दोबारा बोलो.
हम इसे तौर पे ले सकते हैं कि
नहीं, मेरे को आवाज कट रही है आपकी.
हम इसे एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे ले सकते हैं कि
we can have it as just as an example. As an example, as we can have it, we can take it. यूज कर सकते हो आप.
we can also take it as the example of our Indian freedom struggle. When the Britishers came here and wanted to rule on India, then thousands of people of different different religions, faiths, and cultures came together to oppose them. In this way, we can say that India is the country that perfectly सिर्फ प्रदर्शित करना को क्या कहते हैं?
Displays या exhibit.
पर therefore we can also say that India is a country that perfectly
displays
क्या बोला था आपने?
displays
unity and diversity, and I'm proud of my India. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. बोल बेटा।
सर बस इनका सुना है ना, वही बोलूंगा।
बोल वही बोल, तू घबराए मत, बोल वही बोल, तू बोल अच्छे से, बिना टेंशन के बोल, तू कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। हाँ।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अभिषेक शर्मा, आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ रामबान इंटरएक्टिव क्लासेस B6। our country is a precious in the world, और its identity is unity in diversity. It make different to other country in the world.
वेरी गुड, बोलता जा बस, सही है, सब सही है, बोल तू।
Because people of apart religion do not live in unity in other country.
बोलता जा बस, बोलता जा
like भारत।
हाँ, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल, तू गलत सही छोड़, तू तो बोलता जा बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। हाँ बोलो।
Indian culture is given precedent in the world. All the religions people here, all the religions people live here.
ऐसे बस आ जाएगा, यही है बस तरीका। हाँ बोल।
And celebrate their festival. There are many states in India. All the states' language are different.
Very good. हाँ, ये बोलना, और क्या है यार। हाँ।
And all the
बोल बेटा बोल। हाँ।
And all the states are dressed different.
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Dressed different.
हाँ हो जाएगा, वो सब हो जाएगा, तू बोल।
Step Punjab's favorite dance step is Bhangra. There are many languages speak in our country.
हाँ, spoken। हाँ बोल बोल बोल, कोई बात नहीं, वो तो हो जाएगा, ठीक, बोल।
All the people live with brotherhood.
हाँ, शाबाश।
और many festival is celebrated here.
हाँ, are celebrated, कोई बात नहीं, बोल बोल
Diwali,
बोल।
Holi,
हाँ।
Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, and etc.
etc. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, सीख रहे हैं अपन। हाँ।
India is a big democratic country.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे बोलते जाओ बस।
Of the world.
हाँ।
There are many deserts.
There is big desert. हाँ।
India.
हाँ, many नहीं, there is a big desert in India. हाँ।
Like hot desert and cold desert.
Okay, ठीक है, सही बोल रहे थे आप, बिल्कुल, you are right. बोल बेटा। हाँ
सही है।
हाँ बिल्कुल सही है, परफेक्टली। हाँ।
और एक सेकंड सर, ये क्या बनेगा? All the people help each other.
हाँ ठीक है।
All the people
ऐसे ध्यान रखो बस। हाँ।
each other.
हाँ।
And also should help. All the people. all the people give respect to farmers and soldiers.
Very good.
And our national flag. All the religions, all the peoples give a hug on Holi. Where
बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है अभिषेक, आज तुम्हारी ये बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है.
all the religions people target is earn to their God. That's all, sir.
Okay, beta. कोई बात.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sona Meena. I study in 12th class. Today, my topic is India unity in diversity. By national integration, we mean the unity and solidarity of the country. A nation's strength depend upon its unity.
Very good.
Differences of caste, color, and creed often lead to disunity, which makes a nation weak. In the past, we were not united. And so yes, sir, united, and so we were weak. As a result, we suffered foreign inventions. Yes, sir, foreign invasions. Now that we are free, it is our bounded duty to preserve our freedom and realize the need of national integration.
Very good.
It means that we must have a feeling of oneness and unity. Our country is very vast. There is great diversity. People belonging to different castes, creeds, and colors live here. They speak many languages. Difference born of this variety divide the people into groups, and the unity of the country is thus weakened. Regionalism seems to have reached the climax. The sixth demand is that, and so also the politically motivated people of Tamil Nadu agitate to press their demand for cession. All such divide activities and disparities between different sections of society are a threat to national integration.
Very good.
The object of national integration is to create a basic unity. We should think of the country first and of our region and religion. Afterwards, we should not think in terms of religion, language, and region. Democracy demands it. Educational institution should also try to promote the spirit of national integration. Students must be well grounded in certain basic values at the school stage so that they may continue to feel national conscience. Device forces should be curbed and suppressed. Unity in diversity has been our strength. In spite of difference, there has been an invisible thread of unity binding the different parts. National conscience is to be promoted. Newspaper, television, and radio can play a useful role by instilling among people the feeling of oneness. We have to feel as one nation and act as such. This is the ideal of nation integration. Nothing should divide us. That's it, sir.
Very good.